I watched Birdman.
Oh, cool.
It went way over my head. I feel like it was too smart a movie for me. What was it like being in a movie that's critically acclaimed?
A blessing. It really was a dream come true, and it came out of nowhere. Literally, like I didn't have the audition. The casting director just called. Like I just happened to be in the right place at the right time in Montreal, and I live in Ottawa. And so I did that, and we filmed it the next day, and it just slipped in there. And I love when the universe surprises me with things like that. So
Now, you're obviously working on Triple X 2 with Vin Diesel. So when does that? When can we expect that in theaters?
January 17th, check it out.
And what are you doing in the movie?
I'm a female assassin holding a huge machine gun.
No way, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
And what is Vin like to work with?
Incredible. I had a crush on him when I was growing up, and he surpassed all my expectations. So he's so grounded, so down to earth, crack jokes, great guy.
Now, we're at the Eligible Magazine Bachelor TIFF party. I hear you're a veteran. You were here last year too.
I was.
Okay. I am trying to find love at this party. So, can you give me any tips? Like, what should I do? You know, I feel like if I have you, maybe like put in a good word for me, that might help.
I mean, I think you should just be yourself.
That never works.
What do you mean? You have to be authentic, and then you'll find your authentic match.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that your advice?
That's my advice.
Okay, I like it. I like it. Helena, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.